So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to find a graphic designer on the Fiverr mobile application. So once Fiverr's opened up, you can do a couple different things here. You can go to the home page in the bottom left and go to the top search bar and search different gigs that way. Or what you can do is go to the bottom, press on the search icon right here, where it sort of simplifies things a little bit here. So you can go to the top and search different services, but in this case, you're looking for a graphic designer. So under categories right here, I'm going to go for graphics and design and then select that. So once you guys are here, it can actually kind of filter this into what you're looking for. So specifically, if you're looking for a graphic designer that can make you a logo, you can do that. If you're looking for someone that can do cartoon illustration, you can basically do, website designing, app designing, whatever the case may be, graphics for streamers, etc. Print design, there's a whole bunch of different options right here. So for example, if you're looking for a graphic designer that does, I don't know, t-shirts and merchandise, you can go ahead and select that. It'll then filter you to this place right here where you can go ahead and find a graphic designer that can deal with this. You can also scroll back up here, and if you wanted to do, like, I don't know, website design, you can do that. If you wanted to do, illustrations, you can go ahead and do that, and basically just scroll down, find what you're looking for here in regards to graphic designers. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to find a graphic designer on the Fiverr mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.